Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make scrambled eggs for an 8-month-old baby. First, crack one large egg into a small bowl. Whisk it well with a fork until the yolk and white are fully combined. This ensures even cooking. Remember, we want to cook the egg until it's completely firm with no runny parts, which is safest for your little one. Next, heat a non-stick pan over medium-low heat. Add a tiny bit of unsalted butter or a few drops of olive oil. Pour in the whisked egg and stir constantly with a spatula. This helps create very small, soft curds, which are perfect for an 8-month-old. You can also add 1 to 2 teaspoons of breast milk or formula for extra creaminess and flavor. Once cooked, remove the eggs from the heat and let them cool completely. This is crucial for your baby's safety. Then, mash the scrambled eggs with a fork or finely chop them into very small, pea-sized pieces. When introducing eggs, offer them as a single new food for a few days to easily identify any potential allergic reactions. Eggs are a fantastic source of protein, iron, and choline, all vital for your baby's growth and brain development. Start by offering a small portion, perhaps 1 to 2 tablespoons, and see how your baby responds. Any leftover scrambled eggs can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 1 day. Enjoy this nutritious meal with your little one.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.